What's going on YouTube? It's your boy El Compa SRT back with another video. So this was a thing that I wanted to do so bad. I'm still missing like part two things, a cluster and a screen. So as you guys can see here, I got red guts, right? You know, the SRT guts, and this is already getting ugly. And you know, since I have red guts, I want my interior red and black. So red right here, black around here. I got a red SRT over there. So I just bought this. I finally got a red push start button. You see that? Woo! So I'm gonna show you guys how to install this bad boy. It's really not that hard. A lot of people shows you different ways, which is crazy. They're doing too much work for themselves. So since I have like an electric steering wheel, I just gotta push this down here, all the way down as far as I can. Maybe push it towards you if you want to, if you want more space. So we're gonna remove this plastic thing around here. So I have this kit. It's like a window kit, but it's my brother's. But some of this will help. Like this will help probably. That's too small. This will help, of course. You know, there's things in here what work. But I say like one of these right here will work. So all you have to do is just get between these edges right here and just start poking them out like this. As you can see, it's super easy, man. Super easy. Super easy. It's dark. I literally just got out of work and this shit got delivered like literally when I was gonna head to work, which is crazy. But it's cool. All right, we finally got this out. So the radio is gonna come with you. I recommend disconnecting the radio for the wires cannot mess up. So let me get this out really quick. So there's like, I'm pretty sure like 3 connectors. Yeah, so 1, 2, 3. So this one, I think you just push it down and push it out like that. This one's the same thing. Push it down, push it out. It's hard. Well, give me 1 second on that one. Alright, let's see if I could try to put you guys like this for right now. There we go. This one I might need to push this down and pull it out. There we go. That's all you guys need to do. Hopefully you guys saw that. Yeah, after that, just carefully remove this. You do have your air vents right here, so just careful taking it out. Alright, so we're just gonna settle this here. Sorry guys, my interior is pretty dirty. Oh shit. Okay, careful. I don't need you to be damaged. Alright, that's out now. So it's literally right here. You see that? That's it. I think, oh yeah, you twist it. You either twist it. What's one of these two? Here. Forgot how to do it. God damn it. Give me 1 second, guys. Let me figure it out. Alright, guys. I figured it out. I totally forgot how it works. But basically, let's just say this is the inside of the, in there, you know, whatever it's called. So, there's these 3 tabs where you got to push them down. And then you could basically pull it out. You could go 1 by 1. There's one right here. 1, 2, and one in the bottom, 3. So basically what I did, like I said, 1 by 1, I started with the left side. I press it down. There's like, you will feel it. So you press it down on the left side, basically push it out a little bit, and then try your best to do it on the right side. If you can't do it with your hands, you could always use one of these. Like I said, these will come handy. And then the bottom, it will be tough, but all you have to do is shove your hand, like trying to get a finger under there and push it up. And then once you're done with that, you poke it out like this. Once you poke it out, it will come out like this. And then you gotta basically careful because the cable is literally in the bottom like that. Like, you see that? So instead of just going take it out straight, you have to like push it down and take it out. And then put it back in, and you just first put the bottom inside and then you put the top. Something like that. So let me take this off before I can put the new one on. The new push start button. Sorry guys. Alright, so there's just like a button right here. It will be on top. You just push it down, take it out. This is how the old one looks like. You know, it's pretty dirty. If y'all want it, let me know. I might sell it, I might not, but let me know how much you would think you want for this, and I'll see how much I would sell it for. Probably just clean it out. It still works. It doesn't give me problems. It turns on my car perfectly fine. So as you can see, this one came without the silver thing. So what I have to do is remove this, which is one right here and two right here. All you have to do, I'm pretty sure, yeah, you just lift it up. Careful, because you will break these. All you have to do is just lightly pick it up and push it out. That's the same thing as the other side. Once you're done with that, you can go ahead, put that on this, you know, so 1, 2, and this one has a 2, 1, 2. So let me go ahead, take this out. Let me see if I can do it with one hand. I'm gonna try. I wouldn't say it's the best to do this. Oh, there you go, there you go. There's one. Don't force it out, just trying to take the other one out. Pick it up. I don't got nails like that. Oh, hold on, how am I taking this out? Okay. So it's gonna be upside down. Oh no! I just dropped the gang. Yo, I just dropped a new piece. Uh-oh. It should be okay. Let me just leave this right here, man, before I break it. Okay, that's on there. Might not be able to get this because it's a little too tight. But maybe push it down and then flip it up. There we go. So, yeah, it's like you can do it with your hands, but if you don't have nails like me, I mean, I tried with my nails. I barely got nails, but I tried. But yeah, you could use something like the plastic ones. Just don't like put too much force to lift these up because you will break these. It's not good. You don't want to buy another one and wait for another one, and it won't. I could low-key sprite this black, but nah, silver looks good. We're gonna probably change it in the future, but right now, all you have to do is basically push it down on this. 1, 2. This baby ready to roll. Look at that. Oh my God, I can't wait to put this in there. Look at out with the old and with the new, baby. Let's go. All right, let me put this in real quick because I'm so excited. I've been waiting for this. So, as the same way you took it out, use the weight, put it back in. What the hell? Hold on, let me check something, make sure everything looks good on this. Yeah, okay, they're the same. So, yeah, here's a part number if you guys want it. What's the part number, if you guys can see it. There we go. So, the same way you took it out, the same way you're going to put it back in, you know. Just be careful how you're going to do it. Make sure everything goes in well. So, I wish I had my GoPro, but I'm too lazy to get it right now. I'm going to try to do this by hand. Stick this out a little bit. And make sure you kind of line it up Basically, you're just gonna put it the same way you put it. So like this. One click. Now, before we put anything back, the car is still on. So what I'm gonna do is press it once. And let me just try to shove it in. Get in there, baby girl. Come on. There we go. Just gotta force a little bit. All right, I'm gonna press the brake and the light should pop up. No. Okay, I guess let me open my door. Ooh, this baby on. Yo, this should look brand new. I mean, it is brand new. All right, there you go, guys. That's how you guys do it. Let me just push it back. All you have to do, guys, is just push it back. It will clip in himself because of these clips right here in the bottom. So just push it back. You know, just go in the back, push it towards the inside, make sure it's in there, and then you can push it out and see if it's in there. It seems good to me. I'm just gonna make sure everything looks good. Oh yeah, there we go. So at first, when you push it out, oh, what the fuck? No way, my phone's about to die. Whatever. Once you push it out, the bottom will loose. Like, it will come out a little bit. All you have to do is, like I said, trying to force it out, like push it inside, but not too hard. So once you put it inside, go up, down, and trying to see if it comes out. And then once you get that, basically, it doesn't come out no more. I'm pushing it literally outside. Trying to push it outside. It's not moving at all. You could turn it to make it straight. That looks straight enough to me. Yeah, that looks straight enough to me. Oh my God, that's crazy. Yo, that's literally, yo, that's crazy. Let me see if I can turn it on. Oh my God, you look gorgeous. Let's see if the lights turn on actually when you have like, when you turn on your lights. So let me turn off the light real quick. Oh, it's white. Yo, what? It's white? That shit's low-key fire. But yeah, guys, that's how you, oh, fuck. Yeah, let me turn it off. That's how you guys connect, push the start button. I forgot to put my stuff back on. That's why it won't let me turn off my AC. But yeah, guys, that's how you do it. A lot of people just does it different. They go down here to store everything, which you're doing too much, putting too much hard work. Like you gotta like take all bolts around there to remove all this. Like, no, this is the only way to do it, and it's more easier instead of putting too much mess. So let me put all these up, and I'll show you once I'm done. All right. Ooh, I can't wait, man. This shit looks nice as fuck now. Alright, guys, so this is the Beauty. You know, still needs some work. I mean, right now it's all stock. I'm not really trying to do too much because it looks good like this. I want to buy new headlights because my light bulbs are really ass at night. But that might be the next video, buying new headlights. But at the same time, I don't know because my power steering pump went out. So I've been driving with a steering like hard. Since that went out, it's freaking hard to drive. But it's easy since I got a V8 too. So I'm gonna show you guys how the push start button looks like. You already know I got the red guts. I have to. I got the red calipers. I got the Brembos. This is how it's gonna feel when I come in the car. Oh my God, that looks beautiful. Let me turn on these lights. And this is how I'm gonna turn it on. Yo, that looks so amazing, bro. Let me turn on my flash real quick. So right now it's dark. It's showing white and the yellow. That is so fucking sick. And then once I turn on my lights and everything, it's still gonna show the same. You can make it bright, lower it. This is the same thing because they're all the same. But I love this. This is the best investment right here. If you want to match your interior, red and black, there's right there, man. So fucking beautiful, man. But yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys learned something new instead of doing all the stuff that a lot of people do under there. You know, it's too much work. Hopefully this helped you guys in the future when you guys buy your push start button. This is, I love this. I ain't gonna lie. I went crazy on this. You know what I'm saying? You know, you see how dirty it is, scratched up? Yeah, that's my fault. But still, looks good. Hope you guys love this video. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Let me know what you guys think about this. Would you guys ever do it? Would you guys you guys think I'm doing too much? But yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys loved the video, and see you guys in the next one. Peace.